What is project management? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we talk about all things project management. In this video, we'll be diving into the basics of what project management is and why it's such an important aspect of many organizations today. Project management is the process of overseeing and controlling a project from start to finish. This includes setting project goals, establishing tasks and timelines, coordinating resources, and monitoring progress to ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. There are many different approaches to project management, but the most commonly used method is the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or PMBOK for short. This approach outlines a standardized set of processes, tools, and techniques that project managers can use to plan, execute, and close projects effectively. One of the key responsibilities of a project manager is to ensure that all stakeholders are aligned and working towards the same objectives. This requires strong communication skills and the ability to resolve conflicts and manage risk effectively. Another important aspect of project management is resource allocation. Project managers must ensure that the right people, equipment, and materials are in place to get the job done. This includes negotiating with suppliers and vendors, and working with other departments to secure the resources needed for the project. Finally, project managers must be able to track and report on progress to stakeholders. This requires a solid understanding of project management software and tools, as well as the ability to analyze and interpret data to make informed decisions. In conclusion, project management is a critical function that helps organizations achieve their goals and deliver projects on time and within budget. By using the right tools and techniques, project managers can ensure that projects are completed successfully and that stakeholders are kept informed along the way. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about project management, be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest videos.